Here's how to unmute Instagram notes. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can unmute Instagram notes. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just open up Instagram. It's as simple as that. So once you open Instagram, just basically go to your search bar and find that account that you can't see the notes of, or if you want to unmute their notes. So you just basically press on search and then find that account. So I'm just using this account for an example. Once you go to the account and see that you want to make sure that you unmute their notes, so you just gotta press on this arrow right next to following, the small arrow icon. You just press on it, and here it'll show you these options: add to close friend list, add to favorites, and then mute. So you just gotta press on mute option, and it'll show you notes on posts and reels. So you just gotta press this to disable, to unmute, and you could just do this too, and here you go. You basically unmuted Instagram notes, and you could just basically check the notes. If you still can't see the notes, it means they haven't posted them as notes today, or like maybe, you know. So yeah, this is exactly it on how you can unmute Instagram notes. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and